Just before the launch of Galaxy S24 Ultra, we got S24 Ultra unboxed and showed the new color option on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Also, there are a bunch of marketing images or revealed for the S24 Ultra confirming the new amazing AI features. This is the new unboxing picture of Galaxy S24 Ultra and it confirms a couple of things regarding the S24 Ultra. First, the color option. This is probably the titanium gray color option of S24 Ultra. Due to lighting, it looks like a golden color option, or indeed it is. The second image shows the side of Galaxy S24 Ultra, confirming the flat display on Galaxy S24 Ultra, and yes, the sides looks quite thick compared to the S23 Ultra because there is no curve. We even have the first hands-on look of Galaxy S24 Ultra display. This is the first ever hands-on video of Galaxy S24 Ultra. There are a couple of things you might have noticed. First, it is true that Galaxy S24 Ultra will going to feature a flat display. But if you look closer, the sides on S24 Ultra are slightly curved. This is already confirmed from source and now it is confirmed from hands-on. And finally, as according to this hands-on with a normal case on your phone, you can use a simple flat screen protector for S24 Ultra. The curve on the sides will be 0.3mm, but honestly, it looks really good. The thing which people really don't like about the S24 Ultra from renders was the thicker outer bezels. Seems like this also confirmed from the outer bezel. Because of having a slight curve on the edges, S24 Ultra outer bezels don't look that big. In fact, it looks much better than the renders of S24 Ultra. The display is not confirmed from the hands-on, but according to this real-life image, the display is even confirmed. The bezels are symmetrical and the bezel size is really small, around 1.5mm. And this year, Samsung is going to add the same display on all three models of S24 lineup M13, which will going to boost the peak brightness on S24 Ultra, 2600 nits compared to 1750 nits. The only difference is S24 Plus and S24 Ultra features a Quad HD Plus display, which is for the first time on S24 Plus, and same Full HD Plus display on S24. With this flat display, the durability of S24 Ultra is improved. But Samsung is even adding a new glass on S24 Ultra. Before, it was named GG Armor, but according to the recent report, it might be named as Victus 3. There are some special features coming to the battery life of Galaxy S24 Ultra, but before moving on to that, a subscribe to the channel will be amazing. These are some of the promotional images of Galaxy S24 Ultra confirming a couple of new AI features. First, circle search. It says search any image, video, or text on your screen and there is no need to screenshot. Second is live translate. Speak foreign languages on the spot right inside from Samsung phone app. The third one, the new Note Assist. Note smarter, not harder. Capture the details in your notes and let Note Assist do the hard work of summarizing, formatting, and even translating them. The next one is Nightography Zoom. Bring details out of the darkness. Brighten up your night with Nightography on S24 Ultra. The next one is 200 megapixel, 8K video recording, and a space zoom up to 100x. All are coming on S24 Ultra. Apart from these features, my source already confirmed a couple of features for the S24 Ultra, including a battery life improvements. According to the source, the final build of 6.1 is already available for S24 Ultra in box, and I can say game performance is amazing because of ray tracing. In addition, although they are varying or similar screen on time with S23 Ultra, the standby and screen off time is much better, almost 20% improvement. This can vary on what settings are set and what's running in the background, but better overall battery life as well. This is a crazy update, as S23 Ultra is already a best Android phone for battery life, although we are getting a battery improvement, but the battery size is same 5000 mAh battery and same 45 watt fast charger. The source even confirmed the big changes in the selfie shooter of S24 Ultra. According to him, the front-facing camera, although being smaller than the S23 Ultra in terms of the size on the screen, the front-facing camera is better in many ways. The portrait video and portrait photos are improved with better edge detection. The images and videos are also better due to AI and also processing. However, night mode on front-facing cameras still need work. Just want to add one more thing, Samsung is also going to add a 4K 60fps option in selfie shooter as well, where you can switch lenses while recording in 4K 60fps, and yes, 120fps is in testing process, so we can expect this on S24 Ultra. Although no one talks about the speakers of S24 Ultra, but the source actually tests the speakers and he confirmed a couple of things. He shared this: the speakers are, in my experience and testing, 20% better in bass, fullness, clarity, richness, and loudness. The speaker is also chamfered now into a pill shape instead of a grill style with holes, but it's more to ease manufacturing than improve quality of sound. It does, however, have some effect on the way sound is projected, although still not as good as the iPhone, which has 2 grills when S24 Ultra has 1 in order to fit the S Pen. Since the source hands on the S24 Ultra, he has more thoughts on colors and the titanium frame of S24 Ultra. According to him, I recently had another opportunity to be hands-on with the S24 Ultra ahead of Unpack. The best colors are still gray, black, and violet, ranked first best to third best. Although I was also able to see the online colors, I didn't really like the look and the feel, and yellow is still not my favorite. Apart from this, other employees also thinks that the best color option for the S24 Ultra is titanium gray, the signature color of S24 Ultra. Also, he confirmed these things about titanium. The titanium frame of S24 Ultra is also confirmed. However, I will try to confirm if it's grade 5 titanium, which the frame is cut from, or a fused stainless steel / titanium frame. Samsung may also call this Titanium Plus, Armor Titanium, or a similar name due to some process in the manufacturing. The frame and phone is much more durable and better looking than the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Tested. Great news, even better durability is coming on S24 Ultra. Hoping for the better scratch resistance as well. If you're up for camera changes, then let me share something new. The default 10x zoom is set to 12 megapixel digital from 50 megapixel. Potentially, this was the reason of S24 Ultra will take better 10x zoomed in shots compared to the S23 Ultra, which has 10x optical zoom sensor. And the new 5x telephoto sensor has the ability to record in 8K resolution. Talking about the cameras, he confirmed big things about the cameras of S24 Ultra. According to him, onboard sensor AI, which is in the isocell sensor, with E2E Remisic AI process and other improved shutter lag to 70% faster on 200 megapixel mode, 90% faster on 50 megapixel, no observable lag currently on binned image. This will totally change the game for the S24 Ultra, since S23 Ultra really struggles with the 200 megapixel picture. And after adding this E2E, you can now take a picture of a fast moving object with the 200 megapixel resolution. Along with this E2E, Samsung already launched a feature called Zoom Any Place, where you can record 2 lengths of videos at the same time, both in 4K resolution, where you can get 2 streams of videos and you will not lose details. The trade-in deals for the S24 Ultra is somehow out, and I'm sure you guys don't like it. According to the source, they are offering around $750 only for Galaxy Z Fold 5, which you bought for $1,800 a couple of months ago, and around $600 for the S23 Ultra. But the pre-order deals will compensate with the lower trade-in deals on the S24 Ultra. We are going to get a free storage upgrade, which is if you buy 256 gigs version, you are going to get a 512 gigs version. And if you pay for 512 gigs version, you are going to get a 1 TB version, and some discounted pricing on Galaxy Watch and Galaxy Buds. The watch will be Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds FE, confirmed from source. The price for all models of S24 lineup is confirmed. We are going to see a $799 for S24, $999 for S24 Plus, and $1199 for S24 Ultra in US. But the European pricing is also out, and the S24 and S24 Plus will be cheaper than the S23 series, but S24 Ultra with the 256 gigs version will be slightly more expensive, but 512 gigs version is cheaper. Weird pricing from Samsung. The only reason Samsung stick with the same price as last year because of adding Exynos 2400 in S24 Plus and S24 base model in selected markets, and also no 16 gigs of RAM on S24 Ultra. The official reservation for S24 lineup is started, and if you reserve now, you can get a $50 Samsung credit if you pre-order the phone later. Also, these are the pictures spotted in stores in Brazil. Says Galaxy S24 Ultra, Galaxy AI is coming. The official teaser also confirmed the Galaxy AI is coming on Jan 17, 2024, and you can pre-order your device after the event, and phones will be available in the market on 30th Jan. If you guys want to see the detailed look of Galaxy S24 Ultra, then you should watch this video, and I hope you guys are subscribed. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.